Hi friends, is my voice is audible to you? If my voice is audible and if everything is fine, please let me know. Right? Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, okay. I just want to know how many of you people are online that I will understand. Right? Okay. Okay, bros. Okay, okay, okay. Let me check. Yeah. So today's the session is I hope a very good evening to all of my brothers and sisters who are on the online, and I think the waiting is over for you. Hope you had done your exam. You hope you have given your examination well, right? If you had given your examination well, say yes, right? And I just want to, I think the time has got ended, and you had done a very good job in giving your examination, right? So today's the session is all about the weightage analysis. The weightage analysis we will talk and expected cutoff of mains paper 1. Okay, right. Just say hi if you are in online, right? Okay, right. Okay, and before I start the session, I just want to introduce myself, and I just want to inform you one more thing. There is so much of free content is also happening in Unacademy Learning app, and after you download this Unacademy Learning app from Play Store or App Store, set the target as GATE and ESE or maybe the other competitive examination what you want to crack. And you can, if you are a serious aspirant of GATE or ESE or any other competitive examination, you can take a paid course by using this code VT10. When you use this code VT10, directly 10% discount will directly come to you, and it shows your trust on me, and moreover it will directly connect between you and me, right? Yes. And some people will also ask us, sir, before we start the session, please introduce yourself. I am Venkata Tilak. People call me as Venkata sir. Some people call me as Tilak sir. I completed my master's degree from University of Sheffield, England, and about to complete my doctoral degree also. My background of education is completely into structural engineering, the structural part. So here also in an academy, I am going to tackle only the structural engineering subjects, ranging from first one, engineering mechanics, strength of materials, structural analysis, concrete structures, steel structures, and finally to construction materials and management. These are the total structural package I will teach here. And previously I worked as a research scientist or a research engineer in University of South Carolina in USA, and previously I worked as a head of the department also in addition to this one. Being a structural engineer, even till today also I am working as an independent structural design consultant. I personally give on my own structural drawings to my clients, and also I personally give material testing reports also to my client. This is my brief background, brother, right? And totally I have 12 years of teaching experience in teaching in various coaching institutes all across India for GATE and ESE, bros. So some people have will also ask us before I start, sir, you asked us to install an Academy Learning app. Now, how to install? Go to Play Store. In the Play Store, type this name, an Academy Learning app. When you type this name, an Academy Learning app, this type of screen will be open to you. I hope you are able to see this type of screen. In this screen, keep this target. You can keep the target here as GATE and ESE, and moreover from this main button. I hope you can see in this main button. Go to free classes. I can say you can go to the term free classes. In the free classes, in the search button, I hope right now after you select this free classes, in the search button you type my name, Venkata Tilak Uppalapati. When you type my name, Venkata Tilak Uppalapati, definitely I can say like my profile will be visible to you. When my profile is visible to you, you just follow me. When you follow me, some people will also ask us, sir, what are the advantages when we follow you, right? The first and foremost advantage is, so whatever may be the free content that I had already done for free of cost in an Academy Learning app, you are able to access. That is first advantage. Second advantage is future coming videos for free of cost will be notified to you. Third thing, at the end of each and every session, we will provide some sort of PDF notes to you. You are able to access that also for free of cost, right? So you have all these advantages, guys. So when you follow me, use this referral code VT10 if you want to get a paid course. If you are a serious aspirant, I can recommend you, like, definitely that paid course will enhance your score, definitely, like anything. That will provide you very good mark also and very good rank also, right? So some people will say, sir, what I will get if I had taken the paid course? If you had taken the paid course or subscription, brother, so in addition to daily live classes, brother, instant doubt resolution is possible, which is very good thing to crack any sort of competitive examination when compared to other free guys. So the second advantage is, we are providing test series for you if you had taken a paid course. So you can evaluate your performance with the test series and with the mock tests and quizzes directly when you had taken this subscription. So you can understand at what level you people are. You can increase the performance in which area you people are like. That is the second advantage. Coming to the third advantage, there is no need to plan yourself. We will provide entire plan, and if you follow that plan, brother, we are pretty much sure, like, definitely you are going to crack the examination with good rank, because we are planning in such a way that even the below average student will also able to crack the examination in a very good manner without compromising in the number of hours. Just like that of other platforms, we will not compromise in number of hours. And fourth advantage is, let us suppose one of our person is not able to attend the lecture of live classes. In the same case, he will be provided with the same access for n number of times, definitely, I can say. So that is the fourth advantage, definitely I can say. Maybe he will be provided with the same access, maybe by mobile phone, or maybe by smartphone, or maybe by a tab, depending on his or her comfort. I can say one thing, from 20th October onwards, the prices of this subscription are going to get high. So please, if you are so I can recommend you, like, you can purchase this subscription just right now itself, maybe just after this session, right? And these are some of the topmost educators that we have. You can have a look even in the app also. And I can say, some people will say, sir, is there any way that we can follow you? Definitely, in an academy, with the help of a link, you can use this link. I hope you are able to see this link. If you press this link, it will directly redirect you to the app. Just after the session, you can do all this stuff, right? And the medium of thought will be both will be in English and also in Hindi medium. So depending on your requirement, you can enroll to any of the classes, maybe either in Hindi or maybe in English, depending on your requirement. Let us suppose, if you some people will also ask us, are till now in GATE and ESE, how many courses you people had launched? Till now in GATE and ESE, till now we people had launched in civil engineering totally 7 courses, and per every month we are promising one more course extra, right? As the pool of faculty are going to get increased, definitely you can see more number of courses in the upcoming months also. And I can say, when you use this code VT10, definitely 10% discount will directly come to you on all the courses that are there in an academy, right? Some people will also say, what about the finance? If this price is only valid for today and tomorrow, from day after tomorrow onwards, this price is not valid. If you are a third year aspirant, if you are a third year student, and I can recommend you the subscription of 24 months, brother. If you are a final year aspirant, I can recommend you this 12 months course subscription. So depending on different months of subscription, the price will also vary, and there is an option of EMI also. I hope you can clearly see. If you are a poor student, you can even use this EMI option, and you can purchase that well, right? So I can say one more thing. I am saying again, within 2 days the prices are going to get hiked by 43%. Please be aware of that. So I just want to start the weightage analysis, brother. How you people had done this thing, brothers? Can you people tell me, right? So how you had done your examination? I hope for the first paper, if you had seen the first paper is completely on structural part. This is the weightage that we had seen for this 2020 year From building materials, totally 52 marks has came. 52 marks has came. From SOM, 84 marks. Description questions, 24 marks has came. And structural analysis, I hope you know structural analysis. In this structural analysis, I am including even structural dynamics also. I hope you know structural dynamics, like single degree of freedom system, multiple degree of freedom system, maybe I mean forced system, free vibration, forced vibration. So structural dynamics part, including structural dynamics part also together, the weightage is 84 marks, right? So construction planning and management, it was given with 32 marks. Concrete structures, in this concrete structures I am also including earthquake resistant design of structures also. Earthquake resistant design of structures also. So you can see, you can, for that one it is 64 marks has came. And in construction equipment 20 marks has came. And in steel structures totally 84 marks has came in this 2020 mains paper 1, right? So of course there is choice also there. Out of 8 questions you need to write 5 questions. Definitely some choice is there, and first question and fifth question are mandatory. I hope you already know that, right? Some people will say, sir, okay sir, weightage analysis we had already seen, like in the paper. If you can see, we are able to understand about the weightage also. Now what is the difficulty level, what is the cutoff mark that we people are expecting from you, right? Yes, coming to building materials, I can say though all the questions that were the topics of the questions I had noted, I didn't clearly, I'm not showing each and every question detail, but these are the topics from where the questions has came from this year. So from this building materials, if you see, definitely I hope you can see, like uh, in this building materials definitely 52 marks has came, and all the questions are directly itself direct, and it's a theory based. So there is no worry about this building materials. And the topics are also direct. There are no out of box questions has came. So everything is direct questions directly in this building materials. And these are some of the topics that you can see from where you had seen, right? Yes. And one more thing also I can say, like, so directly I can say this is the level of this building materials is, you can clearly say I am giving from my side. Don't take like this is from all the guys. From my analysis, being a structural engineer, being a structural faculty, I am saying on my own, this is the level I am giving you, because of based on my past 12 years of experience that I am saying. Don't take like this is the answer from everybody, because you can understand it is the difficulty level I am saying personally on my own. Okay, please understand that. Okay, right? And because by having experience of 12 years I am saying. And this is the level is definitely you can see it as easy. I mean direct questions are there. If you had directly worked out all the question, if you had directly gone through the theory only, it's completely theory only, right? Now some people will also ask us, sir, what about this structure analysis, sir? So how the number of, what is the level of questions that were asked, especially in structural analysis? I hope you can see in structural analysis totally the number of marks are 84 marks. And in the structural analysis I included even structural dynamics also. Especially in structural dynamics, natural frequency question, especially from I can say forced vibration will was asked, and it is a problem. And people will also ask us, sir, what is the level of complexity for this particular structural analysis subject, for the structural analysis subject from part 1, from mains paper 1, I can say it is moderate level for this particular subject. I can say from subject to subject I had analyzed, and I am giving the level of and I am giving the level of questions on an average. And these are the topics from where the questions were asked. I hope you can see it. For this remaining, these stuff directly are from structural analysis. The remaining one, this is directly from structural dynamics. Structural dynamics. So the level I am giving you here, it is moderate level. Just after discussing the levels of questions in each and every subject, I will directly move to the cutoff mark also, that expected cutoff mark also we will discuss. Okay, don't worry. And right, And some people will also say some people will say, sir, what about for steel structures? What is the weightage that was given for steel structures in this one? In the steel structures topic, I hope you can see totally the weightage, the number of the total marks was given for 84 marks, and the level of difficulty is moderate. Level of difficulty is moderate, and the questions were asked, especially two questions, I mean 2 to 3 questions was asked, especially from beams. One is about buckling strength, and second one is about buckling strength, and second one is about flexural strength. So another question that was asked, especially from steel structures, is eccentric bolted connections about safe load. So that is also the thing that generally that is also direct question. It is not an out of box question. And the gantry girder, a question was given especially on gantry girder. So totally the weightage for this steel structures that was given in 2020 paper of mains is definitely 84 marks. And some people will also ask us, sir, okay, so what is the weightage that was given for construction planning and management? So this is also direct question has came, I mean direct model question has came, I can say. The complexity was increased, especially only in strength of materials and structure analysis. Remaining design subjects and theory part, the level of questions are very simple, and whether I just want to say it's direct. There is no much complexity. Even if any student who is a below average student, if he has worked normally, he is able to crack the examination. That's what I mean to say. And the level of questions for this construction planning and management, it is easy to moderate. And definitely, as you already know, especially from CPM method, definitely a question will also come, same expected. Definitely a critical path method, network analysis, a question has came, and a theory question has came directly from work breakdown schedule, WBS, work breakdown schedule. And you can also see that one. And the level of these questions are from easy to moderate. And you can see, I can say one more thing, we are doing everything for this for free of cost. You can subscribe to this channel so that you will get more updates, bro. So don't forget to subscribe to Let's Crack Gate and ESE YouTube channel. So please subscribe to that one, and you will get more notifications about the announcements, maybe whatever that may be. The free content of lectures will also be coming to you, definitely, right? Yes, yes. And one more thing, some people, especially civil engineering question and answers, may ask us, like, sir, especially in construction equipment. I hope you construction equipment, how many marks has came? 20 marks has came, and it's also a direct question. It's a theory question, brother. If you know the basics about cranes, how many different types of cranes, directly you are able to crack all these questions. It's a direct question, I just want to say. And the level of questions are from easy to moderate. I just want to say, except in strength of materials and from some bit of structural analysis program, one or two, the remaining questions are direct. Very few questions out of 100 percentage paper, 5 to 10 percentage are out of box questions. Remaining percentage, 90 percentage are straight questions. That's what I just want to say, right? And especially coming to concrete structures, in this concrete structures I am giving the weightage as 64 marks, brother, right? In this 64 marks, I had even included even earthquake analysis, like earthquake analysis means and design, like including IS 1893 code and IS 13920, even how to analyze the earthquake loads, how to design for how to do the ductile detailing of RCC structures, even including these two stuff also I had included directly in concrete structures. And in this topic it is 64 marks, bro. And the level of questions are easy to moderate level for this concrete structures, because the models are directly straight models. If you know the procedure, you are able to work out. And the problems are there directly in base shear. I hope you know. Some people will ask us, sir, how to work out that base shear. Base shear is definitely, if you refer to IS AH into W, and AH is seismic coefficient, definitely we can directly work out from IS 1893 by using the formula. Some people will also ask me, sir, what is the formula? Generally you had used this AH. If you refer to IS 1893, SA by G, SA by G into Z by 2 into I by R. Using this formula, the parameters were given, and if you substitute all these parameters, definitely you are able to answer this question, and where W stands for the total weight of structure. I just want to make you understand this question was directly came from IS 1893 for this. Okay, and the remaining moment of resistance, like if it is under reinforced, over reinforced, balanced, all these things you can understand by comparing with XU and XU max. And I mean, such type of question was there. And even design of shear reinforcement, coming to design of shear reinforcement, you need to check like whether you need to provide nominal or just nominal shear reinforcement, or design shear reinforcement you need to do. Just like that, I hope you know the procedure. If you just follow that procedure, those questions I just want to tackle as direct questions, brother. Questions are direct. So if you know the procedure of concrete structures, everybody can do that procedure using that formulas. Everybody can do. That's what I want to say. Ajinath Yelakar, nice sir. Yes, thank you, brother. Civil engineering question answer, good brother, thank you. And in the design of columns, a question was a question. They had given the dimensions, and they are expecting only the main reinforcement. Using the direct formula, you can work out the percentage of 10% of longitudinal reinforcement also. I mean, all these questions are direct. If you just improve the formula, everything is there. The one and only thing, generally maybe people will feel difficulties. This is the new type of question, may not be the new type of question, new syllabus I can say. Especially earthquake analysis is the new syllabus that was introduced in the past 2 years. So people may think difficulty, especially this base shear problem. Okay, but rather than that, remaining questions are all direct. I just want to convey, right? And coming to strength of materials, the total weightage is 84 marks that was given, and the difficulty level is from moderate to difficult level. Here the questions are not direct questions. If you understand the concept, if you are strong in basics, then only you are able to work out these types of questions. It is not direct questions. And the areas where these questions were asked are axial stiffness and biaxial state of stresses and strains, torsion design problems, and shear stresses on a plane, and theories of failure. So all these are all not direct ones, and you require some good basics, some strong basics also, in order to work out this SOM. Okay, that's the reason why I had given the difficulty level for SOM is moderate to difficult level for SOM, right? And please subscribe to Let's Crack Gate and ESE channel. Now coming to your actual, people will think like, people will say, sir, okay sir, everything is okay, we had written the examination also, and prelims is already over. Coming to prelims and mains together, what is the cutoff mark? What is the cutoff mark as per your experience? That's what the question will be asked from most of my brothers and sisters, right? So I can say out of 1100 marks, I had not included stage 3. I am including stage 1 and stage 2. Including stage 1 and stage 2, this is my expectation. So based on the trend that is there from the past 3 years and 4 years, and I am giving, this is the range for cutoff for general, and for OBC 500 to 510 marks out of 1500. For SC and ST, these are the things. So please understand how many marks you will get. And this is a descriptive paper na. So for descriptive paper, even the answer is wrong, because of procedure and steps also, certain marks will also already be given. So don't worry. Let us suppose if our answer is wrong, but if you had stick to a certain pro forma, certain design procedure, if you follow for each and every step, definitely brothers and sisters, definitely you will be provided some good mark. Okay, so maybe some calculation error may come into picture in your questions, definitely. And don't worry, some people will also ask us, sir, we want solutions also. Don't worry brother, within 2 days proofreading will also be done. We will also allow, so we will also give solutions to you in the form of PDF also. Don't worry about that one also, right brothers? So for the PDF of solutions, please follow for this please follow this Let's Crack Gate and ESE civil YouTube channel. If you follow this channel, definitely notifications will come to you, and you will also get free PDF of solution of this mains paper also. Okay, I just want to convey that one also, brother. Don't worry. Okay, we will do everything bit by bit. Don't worry, you will be provided for free also. right? That is in proofread. Okay. And one more thing, some people will say like Ajinath Eralkar will also ask us, sir brother, you had given only the cutoff for stage 1 and stage 2, stage 3 is also a pending na. So if you conclude to stage 3 also, like including personality test, what is your expectation for this 2020 including personality test out of stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, all three together, out of 1300 mark, out of 1300 mark, generally if you want to qualify, the 700, more than 700 is the thing for general. For OBC it is more than or equal to 675. For SC, I mean for other categories, you are able to see that one, brother, right? So finally, as an whole, I can say the level of examination is moderate level. The total level of examination for paper 1, don't think for paper 2. Okay, I am saying for paper 1, the level of examination is for I can say clearly it is for moderate level, brother. Okay, moderate level, right? And I just want to say one more thing, we had already started new batches also. I mean three new batches we had already mentioned. We had already started in Let's Crack Gate and ESE channel. So please use this Let's Crack Gate and ESE channel to get trained, and all this training for free of cost. This is a short term program we had given especially in Let's Crack Gate and ESE channel, brother. So please use that, right? And I just want to say one more thing also. Today and tomorrow is the last dates, especially for subscription. Maybe from day after tomorrow, not maybe, definitely from day after tomorrow, prices are going to get increased. So if you are a serious aspirant of GATE and ESE, I can say after you come down to our Unacademy learning app, use this code VT10. When you use this code VT10, brother, definitely 10 percentage discount will come to you, bro, right? And it shows direct, and it will directly connect between you and me when you use this code VT10, right? So if you are a serious aspirant, I can recommend you guys this one. So every day we are working out, especially as a team we are working out different classes here. So I can recommend you guys this also, right? So we as a pool of faculty, we 12 people we are teaching for free of cost in this Let's Crack Gate and ESE channel for 20 to 30 percentage of the syllabus. So I can also recommend Kamalakar Pandey sir's classes and Ankur Malik sir classes also, and please subscribe to this channel so that you will also be notified. So thank you, and it is the end of the session. Thank you very much. End of the session.